Good morning. Welcome out here to the gym. We're out here on a Friday morning going to do a shoulder workout. For the shoulder workout, we've got military press at 4 sets of 8. So the volume will be the same as last week, and this is the incremental cycle. So what we're incrementing is the load. So the load we've increased by 5 pounds from 60 to 65 pounds, and we'll see where we're at. So we're increasing on the shoulder exercise. I'm being easy on my shoulders given my condition, and shoulders doing pretty good these days. Don't want to tear them down. So my increase on shoulders, I started with a low weight at 55 and increasing by 5 pounds each week. So I'm making use of the 2.5 pounders. So anyway, we got the military press and we've got some auxiliaries. We've got the dumbbells laid out here. That's all dumbbell work. So we've got around the worlds with the 8 pounders. We've got lateral raises with the 10 pounders and front raises with the 15 pounders. And then we'll do our PT exercises, the shoulder stretch. It's basically, I've got a shower rod up here, curtain rod, and I use it to stretch my shoulders back, and then I apply pressure forward with my arm to work on strengthening the tendons and the muscles at that stretch point. So that seems to be working pretty good. So stretches always feel good, and a lot of shoulder progress since I started doing those stretches. So anyway, we'll hit the workout and we'll head out on a jog. So welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. Let's get some longevity training in so we can meet age with grace, folks. Let's hit it. Here we go. All right, we're on the road for Friday. So Friday's workout, the shoulders, military press. All right, standing overhead press, whatever you want to call it. Again, another good deltoid isolation, 65 pounds. Felt like a lot of weight to me, but you know, nothing I couldn't finish. Not sure how to explain it. I mean, the strength is there, but I think if I lean back, I incorporate some chest. If I really focus on pulling those arms back and making sure to use those shoulders, I tell you what, I get a good deltoid engagement on that lift. We'll see what happens as the weight gets a little heavier. I think next week we'll see if I want to try to cheat and use the chest a little bit. So we'll see what happens. I'm not sure what's going to happen. But all the other auxiliaries, normal auxiliaries around the worlds. After the around the worlds, of course that works a lot of lateral and a lot of those rotators. But the lateral lifts after that, the lateral raise, they were difficult. I mean, just with the 10 pounders, I thought maybe I'd go up to the 12s, but no. The very first set, I was like, oh my goodness, this 10 pounds are heavy. Of course, I went up from 8s to 10s on the around the worlds on my last set, so got a little extra work in there. But I did do 3 full sets of lateral raises with the 10 pounders, so got good work out of that. And then of course, front raises, always good at that. And then always good to have that. But the stretches, I even felt more limber today. Of course, I had a chiropractic and massage appointment yesterday, so thinking that might have loosened me up some. So maybe the stretches were more effective because of that. I'm not sure, but they were definitely. I was a lot easier to get into position and felt like I got more, you know, a lot more open. You know, that's what that does. It opens you up, and again, I apply pressure towards the stretch in order to work out those tendons at the stretch point. And I tell you what, I think it's working. I know it's working good. So then we went on a jog, just a natural organic jog. Ended up at 1040 for 2.12 miles. So 240 mile pace, so 1040, 1040 mile pace. So pretty happy with that on a Friday. Thursday I try to hit it a little harder, so that's why I had 10:10 yesterday or 10:11, and I try to get mid-10s on Thursdays, and almost got to mid-10s today. So, and that was just natural. Barely pushed it a little bit at the end, just as I don't know about you guys, but I naturally just kind of at the end kind of pushed a little harder just to get strided out, just to finish strong. So wouldn't say I pushed it like I did yesterday, but probably last quarter mile, maybe less than a quarter mile, just kind of lengthened the strides and tried to finish strong. So instead of finishing weak across the finish line, I like to finish strong. Plus I went a little further. So anyway, that felt good. And then got my cool down walk in. I didn't even look how far it was, but I was able to turn it off this time before I got in here. So it was a little under 18 minutes. Under 17. It was like 16:50. So anyway, true cool down. I mean, like to get that heart rate down slow and the respiratory rate down slow. Let the blood, so that don't pool, and let the blood, you know, don't want it pooling. So anyway, got that all done. We'll be out tomorrow for the ab burner. I think I said tomorrow we'll do the ab burner at the normal time, or we're up to the minute, the 60-second mark. So I think that's what I said last week. So, but anyway, that's what I'm planning. So we'll hit that ab burner, then we'll head out on a jog tomorrow too, and that'll be the end of the jog split. Sunday will be a much shorter jog and a longer walk. We'll tailing down into the main lifts again. So anyway, see you guys tomorrow for the ab burner, or on Monday for the upper body week 4 incremental phase at 190 pounds. I think we'll be hitting on the bench press. So, okay, you guys take care. Have a great weekend. Be safe. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right, we'll see you. Take care.